Alright, cool. Try that one there. This is lovely. It might be a little deeper still at the moment, so. Oh my god. I wonder if it's still under there. It caused a... Oh, what is that? Oh, it's a platypus. Oh my god, a platypus! It's a platypus on that tree. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna try and get some footage of him. Whoa, man. That is seriously cool. Wow. How lucky am I to get that on camera, hey?
I'm not risking it, but because that's a really fishy looking rock. A bubble just came out of it, man.
Wait, stop. I think it's a rock, bro.
It's 100% a fucking brown trout, bro.
Hey, wait, watch out, move.
No,
yeah.
It's 100% a fucking trout, Connor. Don't you fucking... I know I've done this a million times.
It is.
I think he's dead. Imagine I had the gaff. Feel like that salmon out of the rock pool. There's another bubble though.
No, it's definitely a fish, bro. I can see it as clear as day.
Alright, man, I confirmed that already, but I want to know, is he alive? Because I don't think he's alive, man.
Do you want me to poke with the rod?
Nah.
Or do you want to...
If we're doing anything, I'm going to try to get in there and grab him.
That's it. Like, get it right in front of him so he can't go anywhere.
My problem is I can't see.
Wait.
No, he's gone.
Just saw a fox, guys, just right on the top of that hill there. Yeah, because those magpies were like, you know, attacking it, I think. Wow. I've never seen a fox before. Damn. Just at spot number 2, just roaming around. Man, we're really hoping to get onto a trout. Just be nice, come out this far. But the bushwalk is nice. We've had plenty of cool wildlife encounters too, so we'll just keep on pushing through. Keep on pushing. I gotta follow, I gotta follow, I gotta follow, I gotta follow. Oh. Oh. Yep. Oh, he hit it! He hit it, but he didn't commit. Yeah, go, Luca. Rope up towards you. He's in the middle. Oh, hello. Oh, hello, hello, hello. Yep. Yep. Oh, no, there's another one there, bro. There's another one there. No, dropped him. That's right. Oh, there were 2 there. They came up from here. Oh, they might have been behind that rock there. Wow, they really stopped and stared. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, come on. Come on. Yes. Woo! Yes, Luca. Hello. Yep. Woo. Hi. Yep. Hello. No. Come to daddy.
Oh, brown. No.
No.
Big boy though.
Yep.
Oh. Already unclipped it.
Yeah, sick. Thank you, sir.
Nice work, man.
Oh, good follow on that one too.
We found a honey hole, didn't we?
It's good though. He wasn't going anywhere. Hold on, mate. Alright, so grab this guy. Oh, never mind. See you, buddy. You.
Which way did
Bro just died, guys, but Luke has landed another good trout. Sorry, sir. He's just organised himself. Jaw, bro. There we go. See you, mate. He's off.
Healthy boy.
He's off. He's off back to his depths.
Maybe like kick up that bit of sand initially. Still chilling. Look at him.
Hey guys, thank you for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe. Got plenty more content stowed away. Just been in a big editing slouch over the past couple months, but expect some more videos to drop around real soon, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.